talk about singleness for a second. The world treats it like a waiting room, as if you are incomplete until you find that one. But that is a lie. In fact, it is not true. You can be single and still joyful. You can be single and still purposeful. You can also be single and still be very fulfilled. Your worth is not tied to your relationship status. It is anchored in Christ Jesus. Isaiah chapter 54 verse 5 re-echoes to us that your maker is your husband. The Lord Almighty is his name. So instead of saying, I am still waiting, why not say, I am growing? Because this season is not one of punishment. It is preparation. If you are embracing your single season, drop whole and content in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more encouragement on love and relationship. I love and celebrate you.